Okay, guys. So today we're going to take our polar grids that we made, creating a cam, and we're going to make a cam on OnShape using that polar grid. So I've taken a picture of one of your guys' work, and what we're going to do is we're going to recreate this on OnShape with this general shape. I highlighted it just so I could see it a little better, darkened a center point so I know where the axle hole goes. But we're going to take this and create this cam. So what you need to do is take a screenshot, hugging as close as you can to that. All right, just your snip tool, save that image, and we're going to open it in OnShape. But looking at it, each one of these lines is 0.25 inches. So starting from my center, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lines. 8 times 0.25 would be 2. So here we have a radius of 2, and in this direction, we're not quite to 2, but I'm going to build a 2x2 box or 4x4 because if we're 2 in this direction, the box is going to represent the diameter. So I'm going to build a 2x2 box, and I'm going to paste that inside of it. So sketch, I'm going to do it on the top so that it lays flat. And all I'm going to do first is use the center point rectangle, start in the center, make a box. I'm going to make it 4x4. Now this is just giving us a boundary of our cam. We know our cams can't be any bigger than 4 inches by 4 inches. They won't fit in our boxes that we've made. So I'm done with that sketch, and all it is setting up an outline. So now I'm going to create a second sketch, do it on top of that face, and I'm going to insert an image. So down here, import. If you don't see import on your screen, hit the full screen button.
If any faculty member has not come and voted, please do so now. Thank you.
All right, guess we need to vote. So in my downloads, it is, I believe the cam tutorial photo is what I saved it as. Uploads. So we're done with that. So I'm going to click cam tutorial, and I'm just going to start in this corner. That's why we hugged it close, so I can extend it, and I'm going to go until the top of that cam is on that box. So that's pretty close. We're a little less than 4x4, but we're going to roll with that. Finish that sketch. So now I'm going to do a third sketch on that same face. And now what we're going to do is I'm going to take my spline tool. All right, this little squiggly line with points. I'm going to click that, and I'm just going to go around just periodically hitting these points. Double click, it turned blue, so I've got a completed shape. All right, next thing I want to do, I'm going to place a dot right here. I've made a center point, so I'm just going to place a center dot there and do a center point circle. And we've decided our axle diameter needs to be 0.262. So when we 3D printer, they will fit on our axle rods. Okay, I finished that sketch. But what I want to do now is I want to hide sketch 1. So come over here and click the eye. Sketch 2, I want to hide it as well. And now I'm just left with my cam. Now, if you want to smoothen that stuff up, I would probably move this out a little bit, move this one out. All right, just making my transitions a little bit smoother. Drag that point there, just some minor adjustments. That looks pretty good. Okay, so there's my cam. Finish that, do a quick extrude. That's our face. and we want to do it at a depth of 0.125. So there is my cam. Okay, that is all. You guys have a great day.